In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum Key Levels in TradingView Pro quick and easy. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, whether it's Forex, stocks, crypto, or indices. Having your chart ready will make it much easier to follow along in real time. First, look at the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies as window, which is where you can search for any tool or script you want to add to your chart. Once that window is open, move to the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you're looking for. Click inside the search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now type the words Bjorgum Key Levels into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly so TradingView can find the exact script. As you type, TradingView will start showing a list of matching indicators below. When you see Bjorgum Key Levels appear in that list, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart and you should see the key levels appear across your price action. Next, we want to fine-tune how this indicator looks and behaves. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart, where all your active indicators are listed. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for Bjorgum Key Levels. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, visibility on different time frames, and any other options provided by the creator of the script. Take a moment to customize it so it fits your chart style and is easy for you to read. For example, you might want stronger colors for major levels or slightly thinner lines so they don't overwhelm your candles. When you're happy with your changes, click OK or close the panel to apply the settings. Finally, if you haven't already signed up using the link in my description, make sure you do that. It will take you straight to the proper sign up page so you can access everything you need and follow along with the same setup I'm using. That's all you need to add Bjorgum Key Levels in TradingView Pro quickly and easily.